Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be going step by step on how to solve the inequality 4c plus 3 is less than or equal to 13. We will not only find the solution in inequality form, but also represent it using interval notation. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. To solve the inequality 4c plus 3 is less than or equal to 13, we first need to isolate the variable c on one side of the inequality. This means we need to get rid of the number 3 that is added to 4c. To do this, we perform the inverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. We subtract 3 from both sides of the inequality to maintain the balance, just like we would do in an algebraic equation. So we start with 4c plus 3 is less than or equal to 13. We subtract 3 from both sides. 4c plus 3 minus 3 is less than or equal to 13 minus 3. On the left side, 3 minus 3 cancels out, leaving 4c is less than or equal to 10. Now we have a simpler inequality. 4c is less than or equal to 10, and we have successfully isolated the term with the variable c. This prepares us for the next step, where we will solve for c. At this point, the inequality in its altered form is 4c is less than or equal to 10. The goal is to get c by itself. To solve for c, we need to further isolate the variable by getting rid of the number 4 that is multiplied by c. This means we need to perform the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. We want to divide both sides of the inequality by 4 in order to maintain the balance, just like we would do in an algebraic equation. So we start with the inequality. 4c is less than or equal to 10. We divide both sides by 4. 4c divided by 4 is less than or equal to 10 divided by 4. On the left side, 4 divided by 4 cancels out, leaving c is less than or equal to 10 divided by 4. Now we simplify 10 divided by 4 to its simplest fraction form. 10 divided by 4 simplifies to 5 over 2, so the inequality becomes c is less than or equal to 5 over 2. This is the final step in solving the inequality in algebraic form. We now have the solution in original inequality form as c is less than or equal to 5 over 2. To express this solution in interval notation, we look at all values of c that satisfy the inequality c is less than or equal to 5 over 2. This means c can be any number less than or equal to 5 over 2. In interval notation, we write this as negative infinity to 5 over 2 included. So the interval notation form of the solution is negative infinity to 5 over 2 included. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.